Hey everyone, let's talk gold and silver. And I know you guys, I've got a lot of people that like silver. It seems like everyone on YouTube, everyone on the internet, everyone on Reddit, it is silver. It's like silver, 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 silver. So you know what I do? I don't do anything. I already bought silver before everyone else bought it. So I bought a whole bunch. And then everyone started piling in, and I was like, well, the deals aren't as good anymore. So I don't buy as much silver. Physical silver, that is. So what I do is I look for companies recently, and I've been buying companies. So Discovery Silver, maybe a little bit of metallic minerals if it's down, maybe some impact silver if it's down. You know, I buy these little ones. I buy the mid cap ones, Mag Silver, First Majestic, EXK. I like EXK quite a bit. I buy all those, and then I just sit there. I hit the little refresh on the account. And then it goes up, and then it goes up a little bit more, and then it goes up a little bit more. And hopefully we break out of all this stuff and it goes up a lot. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. If you guys are interested in this stuff, definitely click subscribe. I talk physical metals. I talk companies. We do technical analysis. This is what I'm doing, is technical analysis of gold and silver. So let's jump in. Let's see what gold and silver's doing. Let's hope for some bullish engulfings or something, right? Let's get some bullish engulfings and let's get this thing pushed higher. So let's take a look. Gold and silver, some of my favorite things to say. So let's do some charting. Let's do an update on charting these metals out. And again, this is only financial education only. I can't give advice. I do not have the certifications or qualifications to give advice. And you guys should not be taking advice from me. What you should be doing is looking at what I'm doing, see what I'm looking for. Use those cues for your benefit, for your investment benefit. I am a millionaire. I'm self-made. I do not make a lot of income in comparison to some people. So I made it off of being savvy in investments. So gold continuous contract. This is the real deal. This is GOLD itself. We've got this double bottom. It's a small little double bottom, and it created a launching pad. We launched higher. We've got bullish engulfing here, coming on, a little bullish engulfing there. It looks very good. We just keep stair-stepping higher, stair-stepping higher. Are we going to see this thing blow to the upside? Are we going to have a little bit of a pullback? Tough to say. We do have a lot of up days and a lot of small down days over here. That's usually means that the buyers are in control. And it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And this thing could pull back a little bit. No big deal. No big deal. We're in it for the long term. Silver, same type of thing going on. We're going sideways. We've got kind of this pennant formation flag pattern developing. Once we break that, then we will see the stars with silver. We will see this thing break and move on up. And if we break that 30 level, 2950 30 level, we could see a big move. So you better be positioned before it. Don't want to be stuck outside of it, staring at. You don't want to see all your friends on finding value getting rich. So you got to get in and hold on if it fits within your financial plan that you guys have in strategy. This is not advice. I'm getting pumped. I'm getting excited for it. So that's kind of my own thing coming out there. Platinum. So platinum, you could draw a line through here and say, yeah, broke to the downside. We could see this, further downside. That is quite possible. We could have a shoulder developing where this thing kind of pulls down a little bit. It would probably pull down maybe the 1150, 1125 area. We do have some support way down here at the 1050 to 1100 area. But I'm not worried about it. I already own quite a bit of it, and I'm just holding on. So we've got GDX here. GDX, look at this guy. What do we got here, guys? I think that's a bullish engulfing. So we came on up, doing the pull up, pull back thing. We're going sideways. We got a bullish engulfing. I think it's ready to go on up higher with that bullish engulfing candlestick. And even if it goes sideways for a day or two more, I think it's still going to go on up. Oh, what does GDXJ got? Looks like we got a bullish engulfing party going on. GDX got one. GDXJ's got one. So this guy's engulfing the one before it, and this guy, and this guy, and this guy, and this guy. It's engulfing everything over here. So I think we're going to see a move to the upside very soon. SILJ. SILJ, bullish engulfing the day before with a hammer pattern. Not too bad. Probably going to go higher. Looks like it's flirting with this all-time high up here. Man, this thing, if it breaks, you better be in it. AG. Draw the trend line down. Broke that. Bullish engulfing. I like it. Looks like it wants to go higher soon. Endeavor Silver. Is this making some highs? Some short-term highs here? It sure is. Looking good. Mag Silver looking good. The big guys are looking good. Wheaton Precious Metals. Downtrend break. Sure, check. Pulled up, pull over. This is a new uptrend. I like it. I like it a lot. We've got Discovery Silver. This guy is kind of coiling up over here. Kind of broke to the upside. We've got small down days, big up days. It's got all the characteristics of wanting to go higher. So what do? I do nothing, and I let it sit, and I let it go higher. Here's Free Gold Ventures. This guy is a small, more of an exploration type gold company. Popped higher. This thing looks like it's just going sideways. It could, we're coiling up. We want to see this thing break to the upside. We're right at the bottom of this pattern right now. That's one. This is a lot higher risk. So I don't have nearly the amount of money as I do in this one as I do as other companies. Here's Impact Silver. Draw the downtrend line coming through here. You know what? Let's draw it in. Let's make this visual, right? No, but everybody wants it to be visual. There you go. Is it visual enough for you guys? We'll even make it a fat line. So, made it visual. What does that look like? Looks like a breakout to me. We broke to the upside of this downtrend line. You might see it backtest. Don't get scared. Get greedy, right? Don't get scared. Get greedy. We know what we're doing. We know silver's cheap. We know silver's going to break. You get greedy when things happen like that, right? Here's Anglo-American Platinum, another one that's kind of pulling back. I'm watching it down here. Might be one to add into eventually. Not yet. Eventually. We've got Impala Platinum. I am not in it yet. I'm holding on, waiting for this thing to kind of die down and give me a turn. I want to see a turn. When it turns, I'll buy it. And here's PLG. PLG, I own PLG. You can kind of draw. We're at the bottom of this big pattern here. It broke out of this guy here and kind of came down. This one looks pretty good. Doesn't look bad at all. I like it. When platinum goes up, PLG will probably go up. Probably quite a bit, actually. So, gold and silver, we got some bullish engulfings, guys, and we've got silver looks really good. Silver and those big mid-cap companies, AG, EXK, MAG, they look good. I like them a lot. I own a lot in those. Some of these smaller guys, they're going to be a little bit delayed behind it. They led last time, but this time it looks like they're delayed a little bit. So, and Impact Silver broke its downtrend line. Those bullish engulfings on all the ETFs means that the overall sector is probably going to be moving on up, is my guess. So I think it looks good. I think it looks strong. I don't see any worries here. It looks good. So if you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have questions, anything, put it in the comment section, please. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.